for every hairstyle, you'll be needing a comb, some hair clips, some statement hair clips, and a rubber band. So let's start. This is my first hairstyle in which I have done a straight partition of my hair. And then you'll be needing a statement clips, just two of them, and then clip it like shown. This is just a quick hairstyle and you're ready. How cute looking hairstyle. So this is the final look of my hairstyle first. So for the second hairstyle, do a straight partition of your hair as shown and then grab some of the hairs. Do similar thing in the right side of the hair. And clip the rest of your hair. Do the same thing on the opposite side of your hair. Grab some more hair and then voila! Here is the second look and it's so cute. Don't you think so? If you love my hairstyles, then comment down below. Here is the final look of my second hairstyle. Here is the third hairstyle. So grab all of your hair perfectly comb it all over and then tie with a tight rubber band. Make a high pony and then you will be needing a two statement hair clips. As I have taken a pink color of hair clip, you can take any color you like and then clip it like this. Just two, not more than that, and you're done. This is the quick and cute hairstyles you can make every day. Here is the final look. This is the fourth hairstyle. In this hairstyle, you have to make a side partition of your hair like shown in this video. Then grab some of your hair like shown and tie rest of your hair with a rubber band and make sure you do not make a high ponytail. Make a low ponytail as I have done. Then you will be needing two clips to tie rest of your hair. And voila, it's done. This is the fourth hairstyle and this is so simple. You can make every day or college going girl can do it every day. Here is the final look of my fourth hairstyle. So this is the fifth hairstyle. Grab all of your hair and tie with a clutcher as I'm doing. First roll that part and make a puff, not much like this, as per your choice. Tie it with the clutcher, and if you want you can open your hair like this, or you can do a ponytail as I'm doing a ponytail. It's done! All of my hairstyles are so easy and quick to do. Hope you like all of my hairstyle, and if you do, then comment down below. Here's the final look of my fourth hairstyle. Sorry, fifth. So this is the last hairstyle. You'll be needing a small clips and make a side partition of your hair. Comb carefully. Do not harm yourself. And roll it like I have done. And make sure you do not wrap a, you know, mota partition of your hair. And do it all over. And if you want, then you can make a ponytail, or if you want you can open your hair like I've done, and you're good to go. This was the 6 trendy hairstyles and quick hairstyle you can do every day. Hope you love all of my hairstyles. Show some love. Bye. Here is the final look of my last hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and do comment down below.